Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll teach you how you can log into MyHTSpace portal, which is quite beneficial for Harris Teeter employees because by using this platform employees improve their work experience. This platform introduced several features for its employees which help them to approach different valuable resources. So first of all you need to search for MyHTSpace login in Google. Now you will be able to see a link at top where you need to click shown in the screen. Once you click there, you will be able to see a login page of Harris Teeter where it is asking us for our username and our password, which must be a case sensitive. Basically, it means you need to have both capital and small letter. Also use numbers so that your credentials get more stronger. So let me show you a demo. And finally click on login and you will be able to log in. But by chance if you have forgotten your username or password, you can just click on forgot username or password on in screen. Complete the formalities given by Harris Teeter and your problem will be solved. So this is how you can log into MyHTSpace, and if you guys still face any problem, let me know in comment down below. And if you like this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please do subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.